Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Noble Creative Digital Marketing Agency. Trust you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to design um a candy design and how to mock it up on your Pixellab. So without wasting much of your time, the next thing to do is to change our image size to 400 or 4000 1546 1566. So this is the image size we are going to use. Okay, let's leave it as 15. The image size 1466 is okay. Good. So the next thing I have to do here is to change the background color to blue. Good. So next thing I have to do right now is to bring out my shape. I'm going to change the shape to this, then enlarge it. Good. Then place the shape here, then give the color of chocolate. Good. So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out the chocolate. This good. So you make it smaller a little bit, then you can actually rotate it. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to write your words. So you bring out your text, then I write Eminas. Good. So you go to your font, then you change the font to something stylish. I use stylish all throughout, except okay, I use Asian butterfly for the Emina. You can actually increase the size so that you can drag it. Good. You can lock this. You can lock this. You can lock this. You can lock this one now, so that it won't be disturbing you. Good. So you actually rotate it. Then you give it another color. That's color yellow. This color. Good. So the next thing you are going to write down is to write your chocolate cookies. Chocolate. Good. Then you give it another font. Then I use Sacramento for the font. Then you increase it. Then you rotate it. Then this one can actually give it some space. Good. So let's go. Let's check it. Good. This is what I want. So you actually move it up. So the next thing right now to do. Okay. So let me reduce the space. Good. So the next thing I have to do right now is to bring out another image that I use. Good. So I use something like this. Then you have to reduce it. it, then you place it here. Good. So the next thing you have to do right now is to bring out another image that I downloaded under the brush. So you bring out the brush here. Good. Actually, crop it. Then you make it smaller. You reduce it. Then you place it here. Then you give it the color that you gave the eminence. So let's go to the color and let's give it the eminence color. Good. Good. So the next thing I'm going to write your biscuit. Sorry, best in taste. Best in taste. So you give it your capital letter. Then you give it another font. So let me check the font I use. Font. So I use Amaranth board. Is in your Pixellab. You can actually find it in your Pixellab. Then you change the color of this to font. The color you change it to chocolate color. Can you see it's good? So I think we are done. Then you can actually now unlock this biscuit and place it to good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to save your work as a project. Save it as a project. Save it as a project and save the image as PNG. Then very high. Then you save your work. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to our Photopea.com. So this Chrome, and you click on your Photopea.com. So the next thing you are going to do right now is to click on your file, then you click on open. So you have to go to where your PSD file is. This is a PSD file. That is the book, the candy mockup. So this is the candy mockup. So I'm going to wait for it to load. So while loading, you have to wait for it. So the next thing right now is to file. So let me look for my layer. Good. So and this is the layer. So I'm going to click on here right now. So you click it. So the next thing I'm going to click, yeah. So when you click the layer, they are showing us www.freemockup.com. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this. This pillar is not showing anything. This is not showing anything. So you click on it. So let's see. You click on the eye. So good. So it has shown. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click here. Then you click on your place artwork here. So you double tap this place. So you double tap it. So let's go. Let's double tap it. Good. Then you click on this eye. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is go to your file again. Then you click on your open and place. Then the image you see right now that you designed on Pixellab, you click on it. So let's wait for it. Good. Sorry. So it is actually the size of the image in this place. Can you see it? So the next thing I'm going to do right now, let me put it back. No, it's not really the size. So I think the size you should use is 154 1566. So it's not much. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, when you have to allow it to be the same size on your Photopea, so you drag it. So the next thing I'm going to do right now You go to your file again, then you click on Save Smart Object. So let's check it. So you have to wait for it to update. So when it's updated, you click on your free candy chocolate. Can you see it? So the next thing I do right now is to click on this your layer again, this place, this layer. Then you go to your BG color, you click on it. Good. So that's how I gave it my yellow color. You can actually change the color if you want to change the color. Can you see? So that's how I gave it the my color. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on your file again. Then you click on export as PNG. Good. Then you click on your save. Automatically it will download. Good. So this is the work. So this is how to design this on your smartphone using Pixellab and using your Photopea.com to mock it up. I wish you best of luck. I'll be sending the materials in the description. Make sure you check the materials at the description. The PSD file will also be there. Don't forget to like the channel and to click on the bell icon so as always to get some updates from me.